We're watching Tom go through there with the nymph under dry and just wasn't getting in there. Whoa, what a jump. G'day everyone, welcome to another full-scale Fishing Adventures episode. Doing something slightly different today. I'm on the river with the man himself, Mr. Tom Jarman. We actually had a bit of an incident. We're supposed to be out cod fishing, but the raft has been stolen. Apparently going to be returned, but anyway, we'll see when that happens. But going to spend the couple hours that we've got just nymphing up this river. We've got a couple of different setups. Tom's going to fish one way, I'm going to fish slightly different. So it should be really good. The river looks amazing. So we will go down and get into it. All right, here we go. I'm in first. So I have gone nymph under dry on the Euro leader, 10-foot 2 weight. And yeah, we've got a beautiful run of water here, and we sort of decided that we would go fish for fish. So once I've caught one, we can send Tom into the run and he can catch one too. Beautiful afternoon. Oh, I don't even think it's afternoon yet. I always just like to start on the edge of the river and then work my way out, because you never know, you know, you get those fish that'll sit right on the edge, and if you just jump straight into the deepest bit, you can often miss out on a fish or two. But I've just got a CDC split wing and then just a little size 20 tag nymph underneath. 20? Too small?
No.
It's like it's too big. It's really good practice. Once you've worked across the river, like my cast has landed sort of, you know, a rod length or so out from my rod tip. So I've done this first bit, and once I've covered right across the river, then I can move up to where I started and start the same process. So working from the edge right across to the other side, and I'll continue that all the way up, and that's called gridding the river, and that means that you're covering all the likely spots very methodically. So see how we've moved back out, we're starting on the edge again where our first cast finished. It's definitely a beautiful looking bit of water. It's probably worth noting too is that I've never ever seen this river. I actually hadn't heard of this river until Tom mentioned it, so it's all new to me, but rivers are all the same, so you just do the same things. I would have thought there would have been one over there, but I would have thought there would have been one there, maybe up on the softer edge here. One of the great things about fishing a nymph under dry on a Euro leader is you can keep all the line off of the water, your leader and everything, and you get really nice drifts. You don't get to fish super long, but your drifts are really nice. Yeah, surely. He called it. You could see it was just it's that slower sort of seam coming off the main current there. And it is a beautiful rainbow.
It's always interesting watching other people fish because it allows you to read the water how you'd read it.
Yeah.
They make the same cast.
Absolutely. I know. Brownie.
Nice brown.
That's cool. Probably typical of that's the softer water on the edge, you know, finding a brownie in there. And check out the colours on this guy. He is just a stunning fish. Oof, very nice.
That's a nice little fish.
It is. On the tag nymph, you know, fresh fish, a tag nymph's a good option because it's got a little hot spot and they tend to go for it. It's got a gold bead, so beauty. We're away. So yeah, what Tom's doing different to me is that he's fishing a floating line with a, I'm going to say 9-foot tapered leader.
Fraction longer.
Yeah, okay. To a same setup with nymph under dry, but it just, you know, get a bit longer casts. That's right in that spot there. I would have expected one to come and cream the dry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely.
And it is like a really nice looking bit of water, and it's got lots of boulders and stuff. It's got lots of places for the fish to live, so I can't see why there wouldn't be more in here. It's pretty deep. It's almost double nymphing water.
Yeah, I think we were undergunned through that water there.
Yeah. And I think that's the thing, you know, we weren't planning to come and do this. So usually I would rig up probably a nymph under dry rig like this, as well as a double nymphing or a single nymphing rig, just so, you know, as you can see, Tom waded through there and it's quite deep, so, you know, you could easily double nymph this, because realistically, you know, I've probably got 700 mil of tippet between my dry and my nymph, and it just wouldn't have been getting down.
I don't know,
Yeah. You're not even going to catch one and then I'm subbed in.
Yeah, no.
There he is.
Got him.
Whoa! Definitely a rainbow, this one.
Supercharged.
Yeah. Yeah, I reckon it is definitely a good option that, you know, if there's two of you fishing, to just mix it up like that. Beautiful little rainbow.
Lovely.
Got him.
Got him.
Oh, wild, hey?
Yeah.
Yeah.
See you there,
Yeah. It's gonna
Go
sit.
through that hole and
Yeah. Fly is out of him. Silver beaded pheasant tail, can't go wrong. Beautiful rainbow. Very nice. All right. Good job.
good going team.
Yeah.
Does show technique, water type dictates technique. Not
Absolutely, yeah.
Not the angle.
Yeah, and you know, like you're sort of saying, if you're dead set on going nymph under dry for the day, you will miss out on fish. And the same with Euro nymphing. If you're dead set on Euro nymphing, you'll go past a lot of pools that you can catch extra fish in, but you just won't because it's not right for that water type. Well,
That's a nice one. Exactly what we wanted happen. And that's what you can do with, if you are limited by your technique, you can kind of mix it up a little bit, throw a heavy bead under a dry and just kind of help it come down.
I missed the bite on that one because I was drinking because I'm dehydrated, but that's a really nice brown Tom's just caught.
took, as you would have seen, it took a long drift. Had to get it up into the fast water, let it come down off the ledge.
Wow, that's a nice fish.
That's a really good brown.
Beautiful.
What a stunning trout. Look at him. That is crazy, that fish.
Super nice.
Wowzers.
Yeah. I might fish through that back pocket though. I'm going to fish through that back pocket on the way past. Yeah. Yeah, that's cool. I just, you know, I should put a nymph through there. Just changing to a hare and partridge, something a little bit bushier. It's slightly lighter than what I was using before, so I've got 2 3mm beads that I'm running at the moment. It's just that slacker spot on the other side that I wanted to put a few through. Oh, that was a beautiful eat.
Hey.
Just came out and slept. It's got, like, you think, you know, the tussocks are overhanging the water there. It's got to be one there.
Surprising that there wasn't one even in there.
Yeah, it's just exactly the same spot. Another nice brown.
What a beautiful, beautiful eat.
Cool spots.
That's why I had nymph under dry on, thinking that.
Yeah.
For that kind of stuff, like those eats, the water there as well.
Cool little dark mayfly.
Curly,
Super dark.
Curly's thing, dude. Split wing.
Yeah.
Gets the eat.
It was good. It's probably not as deep as what I was expecting, but there's one there anyway.
I thought that was a rock. Like, is that a brown?
Yeah, brown, and this, yeah, the one that before did the same thing, jumping all over the place. Not a good hook set though.
Okay,
I don't think. Okay.
Yeah. Well, that fish would have eaten either technique.
Yeah.
Like where he was.
There he is.
Right on the lip, man. Like,
Yeah.
It was a bad cast. Like, I was a bit late on the tape.
Rainbow, eh? Yeah. Oh,
Stay down.
it's funny, fly fishing all over the place. You get so tied into what you're looking at in the river, and I've just looked up and there's a beautiful mountain range in the background.
Well, where?
Power lines and then, but the mountain range in the background.
Mount Buffalo.
Oh yeah.
Hello, sir.
Nice.
Nice chunky. You'd be happy like anywhere in the world catching fish like that.
Yeah.
Like we fish Colorado, you Slovenia.
Yeah.
You go around and to catch wild fish like that around the world, it's not like easy and available. You got to pay a lot of money.
There is a lot of good water on the mainland. Heaps and heaps. Or you'll get another one out there.
Yeah, definitely. Well, that other nook, right? Like,
Yeah, like on that bit there.
this
Yeah.
is like they speeded boulders. Like, do you reckon this is your 3 speeding boulders?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
Yeah.
Man, your fisheries have got, you know, got it happening. We went past Eildon the other day, they were stocking the big brood stock into the pondage.
Oh, there he is. That's a good one, man.
It's going down.
Casey has to live up to herself.
Oh, she will be donging them. Yeah. Irrespective of the fish size, I always try and get down stream of the fish so that you're bringing it to the net rather than pulling them against the current. He come off. I reckon my hooks, I must admit.
These old rusted hooks that you haven't fished in, like,
when I like got this fly out of it. Yeah, look at it. The tip's gone off.
There's Lubin's.
The bead was rusty too, and I was like, that's probably been sitting in there a little while. So yeah, the tip has snapperoonied, or it might not have even been on there with that fish. So we might get rid of that one, I reckon.
Average fish size is lovely.
It is, very nice. There we go. Just snuck in behind Tom. Pulled one on the double nymph rig.
Oh man, there's a big one up here.
Oh, Tom's just spotted another one. Ooh. Oh. Bit of a predicament, this little spot. Oh, hang on. I'm getting dealt to here by this rainbow. I can't really go anywhere because of the sticks. Up you come. Come on. Oh. They're super fit. Hey. There he is. Oh. Beautiful fish. Super cool. Check him out. Absolutely lovely rainbow. He's got. Got him, nicely done. Oh, they jump so well, man.
Yeah. I was looking at him moving under the water, and then I looked up and realised the dry was gone. I'm like, that was me. That was me.
Beautiful.
They're such lovely, healthy little fish. Oh, there's another one like chasing.
He's like, let me at that split wing.
Yeah. Are you gonna eat that?
Yeah,
Papa?
yeah.
Are you gonna have that? So chunky, right?
It's always a dangerous place to be, pulling him upstream like that.
Yeah. Only do it if you can.
Yeah.
If you can
If
afford
you've got
to,
no other option.
if you can afford to, or you're happy to lose the fish, then
Yeah.
you're like, I am prepared to do that. They're just so nice. Like they're little bullets on a pheasant tail. Again.
Of course.
Yeah.
That was a nice eat.
Ooh, nice.
I love how he just like is coming through and then it just stops. Oh,
Where you go?
I'm gonna go around the
Yeah, you
passage.
go around the box.
Gonna make the whole process a little bit easier. A beautiful northeast Vic rainbow. Very nice. And
It's a lovely mix of like the fish.
yeah, yeah. No like super dinky ones. Just all good, like he'd be 20, I'm gonna say 26, 7 sort of thing. Beautiful. Very nice. That's the one that I wanted. I knew there had to be one in there. We were watching Tom go through there with the nymph under dry and just wasn't getting in there. Whoa, what a jump. And and even with the double nymph rig I was a bit concerned because it just wasn't getting in there, but I was able to just sort of drop it in on that seam and got it to get down, and got a really nice fish. Man, he's going to town. Hey, come back here. Man, they are angry. Beautiful. That is really, really nice. Really nice fish. Check out this for a stunning, stunning wild trout. Beautiful rainbow. Very, very cool. Away he goes. So cool, Fisheries Vic putting in these logs and all this fish habitat. Really, really cool.
That's where I want it.
Nice brownie, dude.
Rainbow.
Rainbow. Good job. How cool's that?
Clean, they're clean looking fish.
They are.
Like clean.
I'm gonna go catch one out of that. It's just like, oh, a couple more casts.
Nah, can I finish on this next one?
Yeah.
Put the habitat first.
Got him. I'm hoping that was the one that came up and looked at Tom's fly. Nice brown guy, man. That guy named Tom. I said, I think I got a nice brown, and then I called you Guy for some reason. It's a really nice fish. Oof. No, nice rainbow. Beautiful rainbow. Very cool. Look at that. That is awesome. Check out the spots on this guy. He is just an absolute, once I get the, just untangle this fly out of his mouth. Hey. Oh, and he's gone. Nice fish though. Oh. Nice jump. They've all been real good jumpers.
You got that round?
Nah, rainbow. Nice size rainbow.
Where was it? On the other side?
Nah, just right in the middle.
Yeah.
Dropped it before I could get a good look, like dropped it out of, took the fly out and then dropped it out of the net. How good. See, it's super important wherever you can, get in front of that fish so you're fighting the fish, you know, upstream, and then you just drift it down into the net just like that. Nice rainbow.
Man, every fish today.
Beautiful. Beautiful fish.
Like that.
Just want to be a little bit further up. So that was a nice,
take.
yeah.
Early contact is so important for that fish.
Another rainbow. Whoa.
Good to see you got hooks on.
Yeah, went through the whole thing. Fishing rusty flies, snapped a couple off, dropped a couple. Slowly regaining my dignity. Oh, very nice. There's one thing I've seen a lot of people do is they don't allow, you know, the length of line that you've got coming out of your rod tip when you're fighting a fish has to be long enough to be able to bring that fish to the net. You can't be too short, otherwise when you go for the swing like that, you're just not going to get the fish into the net.
Cracker, dude.
It is a beautiful
It's
fish.
so deep.
He's an older fish too, he's got like a bigger head on him. Very nice. Lovely. Lovely rainbow. Oh. Now, that's what I did before, I took the fly out, but at least we got a look at him this time. Last one I took the fly out and then just put him back. The flies out of him. Very cool.
That's a cool fish. He's almost got like a tiny buck jaw.
Yeah.
He's got like the tiniest little...
He's gone. What do you reckon, dude? Good note to finish on?
Yeah, let's shoot the card.
Alright. Alright, that is it. Very cool, enjoyable session. It's an exciting way to fish. We have a lead on the raft, which is very cool because we may be going to retrieve the stolen raft. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you give us a like and leave a comment. Tom's channel is Tom Jarman Fishing. He's also available for guiding days, so if you want to improve your skills with this sort of fishing, he is the man to go and get in contact with. But we're just going to make our way back to the car. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and I will catch you all next time.